What's going on, guys? I am John Rettinger and welcome to AGT Tech Motivation and YouTube channel. Enjoy.
So what's up guys, welcome to AGT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, what is the Samsung's answer to this iPhone 11? Well guys, couple of months ago Apple launched the iPhone 11 series that included the iPhone 11 Pro, the iPhone 11 Pro Max and the iPhone 11. So iPhone 11 Pro starts at $999 while the iPhone 11 Pro Max starts at $1,100. So definitely the iPhone 11 which starts at $699 has gone on to be a crazy selling iPhone. Yes guys, because when the iPhone XR was launched, its launch price was $749 and now when the iPhone 11 is launched, the iPhone 11's pricing is $699. So everybody thought that Apple has finally reduced the pricing of an iPhone, so everybody tried to opt for it because it offers crazy specifications for the price. Again, like $699 is not a small price or a cheaper price, but definitely the things that you get with the iPhone 11 are way better than you get than the iPhone 11 Pro in terms of money. For the pricing of $699 with the iPhone 11, you get a wide angle lens and the standard camera. Okay, you are getting a wide angle lens for the budget and definitely it's good to see. Like the iPhone 11 Pro opts for a telephoto lens which might not be there with the iPhone 11, still it's a great combination. So guys, Apple is getting lots of profits with the sales of the iPhone 11 and hence Apple is going to be introducing another plant in India. Yes guys, iPhones are going to be manufactured in India. Okay, the budget iPhones, the iPhone 6s, the iPhone 7 and the iPhone 10 are manufactured in India. So later on, the iPhones, the future upcoming iPhones might even be made or assembled in India. So it's good to see that Apple is taking the initiative to enter into this market where it really needs to stack its game up. So definitely Samsung is a company next to Apple and they also want the sales to be crazy. Okay, this year Samsung introduced the Samsung Galaxy S11 lineup, last year and this year. So in that you got the Samsung Galaxy S10, the S10 Plus and the S10e. Okay, S10e was the ultimate competitor to the iPhone XR when it was launched. Its pricing was about $749 and definitely it was a great value for the money. You are getting a punch hole OLED display for this pricing and overall the Samsung Galaxy S10e was a definite one-to-one competitor to the iPhone XR. So now Samsung is back with its game with the Samsung Galaxy S11e. We are seeing its latest leaks and rumors that it is going to be ultimate competitor to the iPhone 11. Okay, because when the Samsung Galaxy S10e was launched, it was having two cameras and now iPhone 11 has two cameras. So the S11e is going to be having three cameras. And overall, I think in this whole competition of smartphones, we as consumers are only going to be benefited. And just in today's video, I just wanted to say that Samsung is again opting for the ultimate competitor to the iPhone 11. But again, iPhone 11 is an incredible smartphone and let's see the Samsung's offering. And the saying is very true that good phones are getting better and better phones are getting cheaper. Just your budget-friendly smartphones are giving you so much value and the more flagship smartphones are decreasing in the pricing. So definitely I think this is a great time for us because we are getting the best smartphone technologies in our budget. So guys, in today's video I just wanted to tell that this is Samsung's answer to the iPhone 11, the Samsung Galaxy S11e, and I have already made a complete dedicated video on its specifications and leaks. So if you want to check it out, go ahead and in my recent videos and you will find it. But just in today's video I just wanted to say that there is a very brief competition between companies. Okay, Apple and Samsung has always been the ultimate competitors in the smartphone battle, and now Huawei and all other companies have started to enter, but these two companies battle is very big and just guys, we as consumers are only going to be benefited. So guys, I hope that you have liked today's video. If you would like to stay updated from Apple ecosystem and smartphone world, then consider subscribing to our channel because it motivates me a lot to bring you this beautiful content. So I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.